Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 55 Buick Special Riviera. It's actually a one owner, one family owned car. We got the original picture, the original title, and we got that. So it's a pretty cool car, 264 V8. Older restoration on the paint job, but still very presentable. As you can see the shine on them trees right there in the reflection. So I mean, a few chips here and there is what you're gonna see. One part, a little bit of the chrome coming off on the front bumper. The rest chrome's in really nice shape. So, and like I said, a chip here and there, just from, I think it was restored about 20 years ago. So, held up well. Interior still in nice shape. No issues there. They just put some regular carpet in there, newer carpet. Seats, I would assume, have been done. There's your headliner. Door panels all in nice shape. See, hardtop got the flip deals. There's a couple chips and scratches right down there. Like I said, you can see some imperfections in the paint. A little staining, something happened, set a cup on there, something stained. And that might buff out. I haven't done anything with it, but it's hard to say on single stage paint. But like I said, still got a shine. It's a great driver quality car. And the nice thing, you can see some pitting on some original chrome. Nice thing, the Buicks are kind of affordable and they still look great. I mean, you can buy one of these way cheaper than you can a Chevrolet in a 55 model year. So still a really cool looking car, and you can buy one for, you know, under 30 grand. I think we're right at 30 grand on this car, which is definitely a bargain for, I would say, for this car with the history behind it, the purchase order and the title, and just some pretty cool. Comes out of South Dakota. Its whole life, family up by Clark owned it. So definitely a great driver quality car. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.